What is pineappling? I get this question every day. So today I'm going to show you how to pineapple my own hair. I'm Melanie Nickels, curly hair expert and owner of Raw Hair Organic Salon in beautiful Naples, Florida. I'm also the founder of Raw Curl's natural and organic brand of curly hair products. So let me do a little demonstration. I like to use these Gumi hair ties. They look like an old telephone cord. And this is kind of cool because this is how they normally look when you get them, and this is how it looks after a while where it stretches out because I've used it a lot. But I learned a cool little trick. So if you apply heat, you can get it to shrink back down. If you don't burn your fingers. I'm burning my fingers. Anyway, that's probably good enough. So if you apply heat, it can go back to its normal. See how it's much smaller now? So that's pretty cool. Okay, so how I sleep and pineapple my own hair is I take it and it's just taking all your hair loosely, your curls, and piling them up on the top of your head. You don't want to pull them real tight. Now my hair is long, so I have to do a modified version, but if you had shorter hair, you're just gonna pull it through a ponytail like this, and then you would just leave it be like that. I like to keep it nice and loose. So then that's what a pineapple would be, just sitting on the top of your head like that. But because my hair is so long, I have to do a modified version because if I slept like this, it would ruin my curls. So what I do is I pull my hair halfway through, like so. So I call it a pineapple bun, or chignon, if you want to be fancy. And then I just put a little clip in there to hold it. Sometimes I get little loose pieces like that and I can wrap it around and tuck that in with my clip. So this is my technique in pineappling my hair, and if you like what you saw today, click like and subscribe to see more tricks and tips.